Welcome back to another video. I'm slowly starting to look like a lumberjack. It's pretty cool. Today I'm going to show you how to make, maybe I'm flattering myself. You know, I'm trying to grow in the beard. I've never tried this before. Okay, for the longest time it was like patchy. It's still kind of patchy, but we'll see. If it gets long enough, it might be a look. So today I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 per month. Pretty much passive. Well, passive's kind of bullshit. Nothing's really passive. Don't listen to that. But like fun. Be your own boss. All you need is an iPhone. I know these are sunglasses. I thought my phone was close to me. And it's pretty simple. All you need to do is make YouTube videos. YouTube is a straight up business model you can do. Let me do this because you know what's going to happen is I'm going to end up, if the camera will shut off, I don't do that. I'm going to show you, I've made a lot of YouTube channels over the years and it's always been a passion of mine. My mentor in high school said, Paul, you should start making YouTube videos if you want to make money online. You need 1,000 raving fans to pay you $10 a month and you have a $10,000 a month business. Or you need 100 raving fans to pay you, you know how the math goes. Check it out. So this is my newest channel. Sit with PJ. It's more about spirituality, just philosophy, talking about the nature of mind, ego, consciousness, meditation, all of that. Very new, 59 subscribers, 6 videos. It started 2 weeks ago. My first video already has 500 views. Fourth video almost had 300 views. iPhone in a park for 7 minutes. First 2 videos were a little longer. iPhone in a park, 10 minutes. Just posted that a minute ago. Okay, that's the first channel. And then there's a link to a Patreon. You can set up a Patreon. It's basically the easiest way to not have to own your own website or anything. I'll show you what that looks like actually. And yeah, so there you go. It brings you have like a community page and you have some tiers that you can set up. And this is where I host like my course, Savage Sellers, like $9 a month. You can see this does $2K a month at the moment. And yeah, it's just like a $9 a month community. And then I have some one-on-one call packages on there as well. So that's pretty easy. So I drive traffic to that to do like from this channel and also obviously from this channel. There's a link in the description actually, if you're interested in that. I go over how I made my $30+ thousand a month Amazon FBA product on there. And so let me kind of break down, there's a lot going on here, right? You don't have to have 5 channels. I like making content. I am like truly a creator. Like I love doing stuff. I like making stuff. I like making videos. I like talking. So it's very natural to me. And I don't have cool equipment. This is probably like the coolest thing I have. I invested in a boom arm, 5 years ago? $100 or something. That's the extent of my content creation tools. I've got like a decent DJI mic pack and an iPhone. Primarily like 99% of my content is iPhone. This is actually a camera mounted on my desk. It's a cheap camera. It's just nice because I don't have to move it for these kind of like desktop videos. This is another channel I made. 2,000 subscribers. I like playing guitar. Okay, so I just took everything I like doing in my life that I'm doing anyway, and I just hit record. And then you build this community of people, and then if you get a couple thousand views on a YouTube video with one call to action on it to like go use the guitar strings that I'm using, or like go buy tabs for the music I'm doing, and like even just the YouTube ad revenue, or like, hey, go buy this product, and you can make cool products. So just like it gives you the ability to figure out how to make the money later, start building the community and digging your well before you're thirsty now. Does that make sense? So that's one channel. Fishing, another channel here, right? So 8,000 views on this video. Very low effort channel, something I already love doing. You can see we only post about once a month, once every 45 days or so. But when we do, we make a bunch of affiliate sales. We make a bunch of ad revenue. Usually the video makes about $100 in ad revenue per video. That's a video of me sitting at a desk that you can't see, a different aspect of this room, different angle in this room. And I'm just tying a fly, right? I have my iPhone on a little tripod. And then so it's like if someone watches this video, they can go to our website and buy our merch, or book a guiding. We're going to start, actually, it's one of the ways I'm monetizing this channel. I'll talk about that in a second. Or like buy the fly tying materials that I'm using in this video, right? They go materials, feathers, right? Okay, you buy $45 product. Like I make $5 when they buy that. So if they need that in the video, a couple other things, I may make $20 off a handful of people that watch that video, plus the $100 in ad revenue. And so it just all adds up. It just all adds up. It adds up. It adds up. And then eventually you have something, like something real, right? And so now what we're doing with this is we're saying, how can we monetize this better? Because what I'm trying to say in this video to you basically is just start making content, build the videos first, and then you can figure out how to make money from it later. Just like whatever you're doing, just record it and talk about it, because it can become something very, very interesting. And even if you fall off, even if you just start documenting the stuff that you're doing. Because like when I made this video 5 years ago, I never would have imagined it had 35,000 views, or this video got 15,000 views, or this one got 18,000 views. There's one on here that I made. I think it has 60,000 views. I made a 5-minute video with my iPhone talking about a piece of equipment that I just bought. I like reviewed it 6 years ago now, right? And so that's a lot of people coming across a piece of your content. And so if I had known better back then, I would have got an affiliate link and put that affiliate link in the description, and that I probably would have made many thousands of dollars from that video. I wasn't thinking that way back then. I was more of just like, hey, just start making content, make content. And so you can see across these channels, right? The ticket is just to make the stuff. There's 700 plus videos on this channel. I've made well over 1,000 pieces of content, long form pieces of content. And I can tell you right now, it is probably the easiest thing that everyone could do right now. You could go start a new Gmail account, go start a YouTube channel, go start posting products about whatever it is that you like. If it's golf, if it's meditation, there's no topic that is off limits. And just start posting videos. You watch videos, so you know that it doesn't matter the production quality, because I can guarantee every single person watching this video right now has subscribed to several channels, and this is actually proof, because my channel's like this, where the person spends 10 minutes editing the video. 0 minutes editing the video. It goes straight from an iPhone video to YouTube. That kind of stuff is so much more popular than you think. Look at Sam Solik, right? 4 million subscribers. Oldest video is 2 years ago, right? It's like the thumbnails are not, they're just screenshots of the video. The titles are incredibly simple. The videos themselves are, it's him in his car, and then at the gym, and then at home, and then eating. Anyone can do this. Okay, so hopefully this, I don't know, is this going to inspire you? I wanted to show you that it's not just this channel. Okay, there's like, I'm doing this in all these different areas. I see content creation in life in general as just like, if you enjoy something, turn on the camera and talk about it. If that feels even somewhat interesting to you, I think this is the path. Hang on, my dog came into my room. This is the path for so many people to be free, to work on something that is like totally integrated for you, where your work starts to become what you love, and you get this massive sense of joy from your life, because no matter what's on the agenda for the day, it's something that you want to be doing. And YouTube has changed my life in so many ways through all these different channels that I've made, and just this sense of like building communities, building fans of pieces of content, and just like being transparent online and sharing things that are valuable to me. It's made such an impact on my life. And here on this channel, where it is more about making money, yeah, you can make a lot of money doing that. Like, there are endless possibilities, but I don't want to talk about that so much in this video. I want to get you more excited about just make the videos, because if you guys are interested in this, first of all, do me a favor and comment below if you've made it this far. And let me know if this is interesting at all to you, because I can show you how to make thumbnails, how I actually record, what tools I use to edit, how I produce this content, how I think through titles and write descriptions, and now how I'm even having AI help me do a lot of that back end like tag work and description work and stuff like that. So yeah, start a YouTube channel. It'll change your life. If it doesn't, it's probably because you just gave up too soon. I showed you some of the channels I have. I have tried at least 4 more that I didn't even bring up, just doing other stuff, like working out when I was a teenager, and another fishing channel when I was a teenager, fishing for bass in a different state. And I'm sure I'm missing one in there somewhere. I have to be. But yeah, it's like such an honor and a privilege to be able to create all these small income streams that add up to just like making a living by doing this. Like this is so easy, right? And you get to help people, you get to show people cool stuff that you enjoy, and you get their feedback on it, and their excitement just doubles your excitement for you. You can't wait to keep talking about it the next time. So yeah, it can easily, I mean, I said $5,000 a month, like, but what I would encourage you is don't think of it so much for like, what's the thing I'm going to start to make money? Like, oh, faceless content to make $1 billion. Like, no, pick something you actually care about and do that and talk about it and make videos about it. And the people who you see whose videos you like, take some of their video ideas, some of their titles. Like, people like those videos. Make those videos yourself, because it's your perspective. You have a new idea on some of this stuff. And so it's not like I make unique content on any of these channels. It's just me, and people like hearing me, believe it or not. You start to build people who are fans of just you, like friends, like social network, like people just like you and want to hear what you have to say. And that's so cool. It's so cool to be able to do that and make a living doing that on the side of many things. Like, I have a hard time saying what I do when people ask me, because I'm like, I don't know, like 7 things, you know? And I know a lot of people are like, just pick one thing and just grind that one thing. To an extent, that's very true. Like, you'll have far succeeded dabbling in a bunch of things. But I equally enjoy a lot of things. So I'm not going to force myself to do one thing just because it might make me a little more money. I'm very undriven by money. I like doing all the things that I like doing because they're interesting to me. It's naturally. Just like, you know, I have hobbies and stuff. And so then once I caught the bug of like, hey, point an iPhone at yourself while you're doing some of these things and share it, it kind of proliferated all those different aspects of my life to this point where it's just like every day, like almost every single day in some form I'm making content, not with like a desire for that content to produce anything or get 1 million clicks or get all this. No, just because it's natural, you know. And so you can get to that place really quickly. If you were just going to make daily videos talking about something you love for the next 90 days, I think you'd be incredibly impressed with how much of an impact you make very quickly. It's often so hard up here, and you start doing it and it's just this natural flow. So anyway, I could talk about this for hours. It's one of my favorite topics. I love content creation. I love making YouTube videos. I think YouTube is awesome. It's such a fun platform. It's like, I don't have to, you're on it right now. You agree? So anyway, thanks so much for being here. Appreciate you. If you need any help, comment down below. I'll try my best to help you. You could also head over to my Patreon if you want like additional help. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Later.